What are we doing, Capone? What'd you find? Sniffy, sniffy. So, most of my projects are kind of weird stuff, one-offs, stuff that I like. And I don't typically do a whole lot of stuff that gets a whole lot of attention. I mean, my videos get, a couple hundred views for the most part. I'm wondering if this project might get a little bit more interest. Everybody talks about barn finds of really interesting stuff. So we got trees growing up and stuff all in the way. But this is a barn find. Look at that missile. It's been off the road for a pretty good while. Since '94. That was the last time it was registered. And I think '94, '95 was the last time it was even fired up. Every time it's been moved since then, it was by come along or pushing it or pulling it. And then not because it didn't run, it was just a fear. It had sat so long that just trying to spin it over would break rings. So it's just been sleeping. But yeah, check this out. It's a little dirty. We got the beginnings of a little bit of rust starting on the bottom edge of the trunk lid. We've got a little bit of cancer, but all the glass seems to be intact. We've got some bubbles coming up right here. Cat prints and just stuff all over her. Look at that. NASA scoop hood. Let's take a peek underneath this cover and see. Looky there. It's still shiny underneath where the cover's been protecting it. Yeehaw. Oh man. I gotta use my other hand. There we go. Yeah, if you know anything about Ford V8s, that is not a 351. Not even close. It is no longer a small block. That is a big block. And we're not laying all the way down on the frame, which is good. A little bit of clearance. We do have a little bit of cancer that's going on right there. This side looks okay. I'm gonna have to clean all the stuff out of it and see if we got any damage on the towers there. Yeah, this one's going to be a fun project. Thought y'all might be interested. We'll just leave that sitting open. Need to come out here and start dousing it and spraying it. Getting all the stuff freed up. She's nice and straight. No actual body damage or dents or dings, or other than right here. There's a little bit going on that fender well. Got a little bit of cracking going on the dash, but the seats are in pretty good looking shape. The fronts anyway. Rears, back panel looks like something got in here, scratched it up. Bunch of old electronic stuff stuffed in it. Hopefully very soon I'll start messing with this one and get her back to life. She's got 41,729 miles on her. Yeah. 1971 Boss 351. Man, that sounds good. It used to be a Boss 351 until somebody got bored with it, like I said, and stuffed that 460 big block in it. Now this car has always kind of scared me. I've never driven it. I fired it up once, but this car was clocked on an airport runway by a cop with a radar gun. It was a 1 mile runway, and by the time it ran out of runway, there was still a, I don't know, 3/4 inch pedal left in it, and she had hit 236 miles an hour. 236 miles an hour. Now obviously the motor was not the only major modification done. It also had a transmission to back it up. It's got torque bars on the axle. A whole lot of work was done to this car to make it what it is. You know, it's not going to get to that speed like a 1/4 mile car. This is a 2, 3, 5 mile drag car. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. This one's going to be fun.